How to fix Instagram IGTV option not showing. Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Instagram IGTV option not showing on your Instagram account. So let's get started. On this process, first you have to open Instagram with your logged in account. Alright, so now from here I will want to give you a small information that Instagram has recently replaced the options like IGTV. So from here you can tap on the reel section just at the bottom right corner. So simply tap on this reel option, and now from here you can browse the multiple reels. So there is no any such options like IGTV to record long videos on your Instagram app. So from here Instagram has provided the feature reels. So simply from here you can go the option plus icon, and now from here you can get the options like post, story, reel and live. So there is no any options like IGTV. So this features was recently replaced by the Instagram with the feature reels. So from here you can add your reels on the Instagram apps. So this is the informative video that I want to give you. So if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you on next one.